Children, you studied about the microorganism Lactobacillus. You know that they are rod-shaped and anaerobic in nature. Now I am going to show you the slide made from milk. You know that it is present in the buttermilk and in the milk also. Lactobacillus, a rod-shaped bacteria. So how to make the slide and how can we observe it under the microscope? I am going to show it now. See, this is the slide. I am taking a drop of buttermilk by using this dropper on the slide. Little amount, you can see I have taken it. Now I will smear it by another slide so that it will spread. Are you getting it? Means from one slide we can make two slides also. After that, methyl orange, what it is? It is a stainer. I am putting a drop of stain. After that, see children, this is a cover slip, a very small thin piece of glass called as a cover slip, and keeping it over the slide, very carefully we have to keep it so that air bubbles will not be formed. I am covering this. So in this way I prepared the slide of Lactobacillus microorganism by using the curd or a buttermilk. When you will observe this slide under the microscope, as you studied that microorganisms we cannot see with our naked eyes, so we have to observe it under the microscope. This is a objective 10, okay, and if we observe it under the microscope, you can see the Lactobacillus that I had shown you in the PPT. Are you clear? Now next I wish to show you how the yogurt is made from the milk. For that, children, this is a bowl, empty bowl. I have taken the lukewarm milk and pouring some lukewarm milk here in this bowl. After that, I am pouring some curd yogurt. You know that why we use yogurt, little amount of yogurt to make yogurt from the milk, because yogurt contains more amount of lactobacillus. Okay, this lactobacillus, when we are pouring in the milk, okay, we have to stir it. The sugar which is present in the milk, that is called as a lactose. This lactose gets converted into lactic acid by using this lactobacillus. Okay, so we have to stir it continuously, and this process of formation of lactic acid from lactose is called as fermentation. After stirring, you must be knowing your mother, when she make the curd, she keep it for some time. When it is kept overnight or 4 to 5 hours, after that you find that it becomes thick. Okay, it becomes thick like this curd. Okay, it becomes thick means what happens? The coagulation takes place. The protein, milk protein which is present, proteins which is present in the milk, it gathers together and it separates from some other constituent of the milk, and that's why it becomes thickened, to which we called it as a curd. This process of formation, a thick product of the milk, it is called as coagulation. And when we add this little amount of yogurt in the milk, the lactose converts into lactic acid. This process is called as fermentation. It means in the formation of curd from milk, what happens? Two processes takes place, fermentation and coagulation. When milk converts into the curd, at that time its pH value reduces. Okay, you know pH value.